Hello everyone, Ankit here from GAJANAN Properties. Look at the beautiful garden inside the building, children's play area and senior citizen park as well. Let's have a look into the flat. 3 BHK exclusive flat at Mahavir Nagar, Kandivali West. This is the kitchen space. Comes with the kitchen cabinets, 24 hours water and gas pipe connection. L-shaped living room with the dining space. This is the common washroom. Bedroom number 1. This is the common bedroom. Comes with the beds and wardrobe. Bedroom number 2. This is the master bedroom. The carpet area of the flat is 800 square feet. This is the bedroom number 3. This is also the master bedroom. Total 2 master bedrooms and 1 common bedroom. Comes with an open view. The price of the flat is 2 crore 75 lakhs negotiables. Comes with 1 open parking. The flat is located on the 7th floor. Call us for the more details. Thank you.